Kiri babu lechi hayi baba saceda ukufika hayi baba hayi baba I have to decline brutally decline your offer. Ula dokotela iway yazi iway okubi kusashaya iway babu lechi banyana bari Monarchy vest back ula vuwe sabona lenhle Skhumba and Fifi in the building. Welcome. I welcome you with warm hands. Ebusuku ngikhuluma English engeke niyizwe. Sothanda ukuthi nisondeze ama dictionary wenu. Sabona bhuti. South Africa iwinile. Iwine kuphi? Besenzani Nkosi yami njengoba sesiwina? Hello lethu. Hola RM. Sengicalculate lasho mabhene. Jwale plan ya kwasuka lokho kusukile dokotela way Sasha Okon exe fana Okon uyazi mara ukuthi uzuthi ucool mele sikutshele thina sithi yabona manje cool guy and then okay. Hello Urapethu Nana siyabangena eWorld Cup halala sengicabangile lala wena uhleli lapho nangaphi ikolo ozivuliwe hayi jinja lala wena ngoba kumele uayine lapho wenze konke lihle. Hello Mosaic Nix plan lutho mara ngeke hlale ngabi khona likhona iplan ngeke hlale ngabi khona Pholoba wayengibulisa kanje kanti manje kumele ngibulise kanjani ngigxume lana ngijump ifone uvelaphi bengiyoshaya ipiece job nyana nje la ngaphandle kodwa sengikhona ungabi sabi newari sengikhona hayi yini Urapethu ngixhume mina ngijump ifone izowa le phone nangapha ngisho charger yami akhonzwe yimi Pholoba khonzwe yimi ngisendile 350 yami ngo uyisende kuphi sengicabangela siscam abantu wena sokubophisa Mr Forex yabona ke Mr Forex ufuna ukwenza imikhuba yakho la shabuda ngicela senda ucash send ka 100 rand so that ngisendele back kube imali yekugunda manje wayimele imali yokugunda ngilethe kuwe and then uzoyibuyisa kimi no wena isende ngihambe ngiyogunda wayengawasenda ama details akho ngifakele 350 yami kuwe Pholoba nini ngathi nilwa kanje ngama 350 wena phela nina ningangibulala maPholoba ngeke Pholoba hayi ngangishaya nina ngama 350 abantu be 350 abafuni lutho mara awufake lapho lo 350 kunini ngolindile ngifuna ukuthenga equipment man. Did you get the phone? Nix. I didn't get the phone. Lutho. Nada. Tana yasevutha bekumele sesontweni sounds like pen. Bekumele sokereka azange ungikhumbuze ukuthi sekerekeni. Babaleke nge 4.6 bekumele anginike 4.6 lo muntu lo. Awu njama ngisakwazi angiloko ngikhona. Bathi intaba ezingahlangani kodwa abantu bayahlangana. Lokho ngikhona ngizifihlanga. Nami sengicabangela siyestudio yomfana. Roy amabhazi esingawakhipha lapha. Pa after pa. Ngithi uyaglowa. hayibo i-ring light mina ngimnyama thu kahle ngimnyama lokhu nje okususayo sengicabanga masiyolobola umuntu wami ngeenkomo ezithu angisho ngeenkomo ezithu bathi evutha kuneBarcelona yes kuneBarcelona evutha Shaptori babulechi banyana bari Monarchy Veste yebo sengicabangile kawucisha ilive ayicisheki le button leli lokuyicisha le live le alisebenzi Shaptori be like Tori why ningajoni uTori kaso so nje everyday angazi nama ngazazi mara mangilele hayi ngithula ngiyathula alisebenzi le button leli lokuyicisha kumele ngiyirestart ngibe ngathi ngiyayijump start ifoni yami phela inokugoloza nyana bonga uTori Menas thank you Tori yabona bathi ngiyabonga lana uTori uyangifila ukuthi ngibongile just nje nina nifuna ukumjoin you like wearing hats very much I have plenty ya uthenge ikhanda nenjebe Grootman yashisa mose hayi angithenganga nesince nje since intshebe yami nje nginale ntshebe vele le eshapheke kahle enama menas eTown uva ngisema live ekhonsana sengicabangile 5 for us ukuthi izikolo zivalwe hey hamba esikolweni mina bukho ayinile futhi fight for us ukuthi izikolo zivalwe we are running the country ceda kuba neingane ezidomo kuvalwa izikolo kuba neingane ezidomo go to school hamba upolishile bukho ayini ibruku lesikolo hawu sengicabangile wena gawu ngisho eBarcelona bangibiza ngongiyamala yebo yangeqa sengicabanga ngizokufaka ku music video yami ezayo angiyakutshela lapha siloko ku music video ngifake out yami ngiready mina anytime for a music video ngiloko yangithola ngiloko yayibona me a professional and you cannot ask me questions I am a talented DJ so ngicabanga ukuyeka isikolo uthembeni nazoyeka isikolo nkosi yami baningi kangaka o DJ na ufuna ukuyeka isikolo be u DJ baningi abo DJ baningi yo i-competition elapho ngono akutiyama ufunda uthola abo level 7 uhambe ye cube hey decline ngithembe ukusebenza no Kabza the Small hayi mina ngiphikisa iqolana angiphikisi kodwa yo ungasiyeki isikolo iba u DJ ufundile yabo iba u DJ efundile kuzomela uyokhuluma isilungu le ungakhona hlangane nabonye u DJ emeli ukhuluma isilungu kunzima siphuma isilungu love you too nana thando lami for wena lilingana neintaba and the oceans I just seated you up check your inbox now on la mina ngiready ngithola ngiready mina anytime the problem is physics ubukho wazichuzela le physics lekhulula manje wenza njani manje ungazohlula into eqalile wena wasusa uzoyimela awuyazi leyo nto never kukancane onizi abajita baka sengicabanga ngifaka ama number wakho la kuma comment angeke babone ama number wami angina number ngizokutshela mina yazi angina WhatsApp nje at all angiyisebenzisi wena wafunda ne iya mina ngafunda obvious manje lesilungu engisaziyo usho ukuthi where did I learn it from yes esikolweni nina ngisho lethe isilungu nasifunda ngamapopayi le thola le krokro iyarafa yazi ngicabanga sengiseshana ne krokro bathi thola ne krokro wayibiza kabuhlungu kanje insect yabona kusebusuku manje ngicela kuphume amagama afundile kancane never decline eish umgcine nini frame ngicine sispa simanga mashonisa no hayi nkosi yami hayi unjani lo muntu ngidla isusha uyifuna angithestise lapha lo muntu wenzena ngaphi network yami yaba slow no thank you man thank you like please sima 350 abantu lawo hayi bese ngisho ukuthi hayi lo muntu uzimisele phela manje I brutally declined phendula intombi yakhe akusintombi le awuthi answer ndoda maybe deal le yabona umuntu odeal uzotexta umuntu hayi phela ngeke hayi no guys guys uyafuna nganganga uyafuna and then welcome to voicemail same time kusho ukuthi leyo muntu ubrutally declined I'm still busy at the moment mna ngazi apply hayi le isolating awuthi ngitshela ayifone futhi ngitshela ayingeke imfethu hayi
Está lato mswata parad barokat salam.
Uzongikhulumela isibhunu la kuba ngathi ucula i-national anthem. Kuba ngathi manje ucula i-national anthem la ku live yami Atasa. Basangene-ke la biya straight.
Bobby's a light there, isn't it, guys? Bobby's a light there.
Boy light. No, asikwazi ukuthi manje sicula ama-national anthem manje lana kathi wayisinza so Nkosi yami. Wonke umuntu manje ufuna ukucula i-national anthem la. No.
Primo, same brother. You should not.
Brother, you are all there. Where's the women? Only men there. Only men. Where are the women?
Bro, here. Yes, Sam. You
Amakula wawanika ifoni wamoshile. Amakula wawanika ifoni wamoshile. Ngifuna ukuthi nizobona la. How? Labantu abanika ifoni bamoshile.
Afana.
Jed.
I bina.
Play match there.
Eh?
I want mesh. Do
Yeah,
you
yeah,
trust
yeah.
yourself?
All right,
You
let's
trust
play.
yourself now.
Yeah, let's play now.
Do you trust yourself?
Yeah, I'm always trusting myself, bro. Do you trust yourself?
Me?
Yeah.
Let's play. Let's play.
All right. Let's battle, bro. And where are you from, bro? Wow.
What happened?
Your network is bad.
Yeah, I saw this.
Guys, let's stop, guys.
Brother.
Guys, let's stop.
Brother, man. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
I want to come to Nigeria and try jollof rice.
Wow, really?
Yes, I want to try jollof. Only jollof.
Only jollof.
Only jollof. It's
Where are
nice
you?
jollof, right? In
Where are
South
you?
Africa.
Oh, you are in South Africa. Are you in Cape Town?
No, Johannesburg.
Wow.
Thank you, Amethyst. Mara Jed,
Eh?
you said you trust yourself now. What happened? Oh?
Bro, I don't know what's wrong.
Now I shall destroy you.
Bro, let's follow each other, okay?
You want to come for revenge?
Let's follow each other.
I will follow you. Don't worry. Let's finish the game. I will follow you. After beating you, I want to follow you.
Okay.
Don't forget this face, brother. It's the face that would make you quit TikTok, brother.
Wow, really? Tell
Yeah.
your people to follow me. Okay? Ginny, you are here. Ginny, see they are winning me. Oh.
Oh, you trust Ginny?
Yeah, I trust Ginny. I trust her. Guys, let's tap. Family, let's tap.
Yeah, but when me careful.
Family, let's go tap.
I clean the PCA. Ngiyele ngeze PCA. Nethi ngisheshe ngahamba. I was bored. Uzositshela ngokuthwala lo muntu lona masuthi how to get money uzothi sithwale. No. 1 million naira. I like 1 million naira. What does it buy?
Family, let's tap.
Jet.
Yes?
1 million naira. Does it buy bread only?
Bread.
Yes, 1 million naira.
1 million.
Yeah. What does it buy?
1 million would buy bread now.
Only.
Do you wanna buy bread?
No, I'm just asking. I want to see the currency. You know currency, right?
Yes.
Yes, 1 million naira. Does it, guys? Now ngathi sekafuna ukuketch up ningamvumeli.
I told you earlier. I trust Ginny. You see?
You trust Ginny?
Yeah.
Then I trust Amethyst. And you see people sitting in my couch and Tsepo there.
Guys,
And-
let's tap.
And
Let's drop
Tsepo.
something big. Kabiru tap. Family, let's tap. Ginny, I love you so much.
Ginny. You can love Ginny all you want. Ginny.
Why are you calling Ginny?
I'm inviting Ginny this side.
No, don't invite Ginny to your place.
You don't deserve Ginny. Ginny, come this side.
You don't deserve Ginny. You don't deserve Ginny.
How?
You are far from Ginny.
No, you know Ginny is your friend, eh?
She is not my friend.
Ginny, come this side. You are my friend.
Ginny is not my friend. Ginny is my wife.
Ginny is your wife.
Yes. So you wanna take my wife away from me?
It's fine.
That's not possible.
Ginny.
I'm not gonna accept that. Okay?
Oh, I see Ginny. All right. Guys, silana sihlangene namhlanje silana eNigeria. Sizobabonisa ukuthi thina siyavuthuza. Just nje sizobazwisa i-taste yesandla sethu of our golden hand. Sobashaya ngehwiphi. Khwe. Sizomqeda noJenny wakhe. Asidlali kanjalo. Hey, bangishaya ngejini. Hey. Yini? I-bowl. It's a feast. It's a feast. I'm eating. Hey, Jed. I was eating right now. I just got fed.
What are you eating, bro?
You didn't see, Jed, you didn't see. You didn't see my food. This guy no more. Thank you, Amethyst. Le out no more. Le ayibonanga ngidla manje. A bowl. Ngithatha amandla. Cela ukuthatha amandla manje. Ashango Amethyst.
Sengicabangile.
Wola.
Kambani?
I'm relax supply yami.
Yeah.
Aish, network yami guys. Network nayibona ukuthi yenzi ezinye izitayile ezinjani manje. Injili network le. Guys, angeke soshaya abantu base South Africa. Why guys. Hayi guys. Le into unfair. Yo bhubesi. Match bhubesi. Yo. Match into. Sawubona lapha.
Yebo bhuti uyaphela.
Yaphileka.
Manje uthi meshe yenzeni?
Ngithi match singayidlala.
Uyangitshela ukuthi singayidlala. Hayi ngoba uthi ucela sidlale imeshe.
Ngicela ukuthi sidlale match.
Nguzuthi singayidlala imeshe. Fanele ukuthi uyangitshela phela mina kunjalo. Usho ukuthi uma ungitshela kahle kahle ufuna ukungilawula. Ngiqala lapho.
Uyafuna wena ukudlala imatch na?
Sekuwena phela.
Ungahamba ke uma ungafuna ukudlala imatch.
Awuphinde kuhambe mina futhi.
Ungavaya uma ungafuna ukudlala imatch.
Sengizothi kuphinde kuhambe.
Akunankinga. Angahamba uma ngafuna ukudlala imatch mina ngingeni nokuthi umkhulu kanjani nami ngingeni ndaba umuntu. Uzofuna ukuncengwa yimi oncengwa unyoko, uyoncengwa icherry yakho baba. Yes. Yes, Ness. Aish, Ness. Aish, guys. Guys, asimzweleni yazi lo. Uyazihawulela nkosi yami. Uyazihawulela. Uyangihlanyela lo utshe ukuthi yes sangigulela yes soncengwa yimi. Erre, ngiyangena mina. Yes. Azo ngiyangitshela wangilawula FTX la. Yes. Ngilawula unyoko. Unyoko. Awuthami. Eish, le outliner nje yazi ngiyizwela nami. Sasingayishaya inkosi yami. Sasingayishaya kangaka. Aish, ngathi ufuna ukukhala nangapha. Don't cry, man. You gonna be all right. Aish, shame yazi kunzima ngale ma-Arabia. Aish. Ngathi usezulwini, ngathi sokadlula emhlabeni. Ngathi sekadlula emhlabeni. Uze nebomb lo tourist. Hayi, uzoyishaya la khona. You gonna be all right? And le out ububesi bengifuna ngishiphe ngemesh nje. Ngithatha kancane. Mele siyo manje uyazichomisa la. Angeke uzophila icontent kanti ubajana abantu. Nkosiyami no asimpheni alikho khona engathi li free. Alikho ikhona elingathi li-free simnikeni Nkosi yami simvulele isho simnike ishop yakhe. Ayish. Simnike ishop yakhe Nkosi yami nami angithandi lo muntu lona. Siwani lana songancenga indoda angeke kwenzeke lokho ngincenga kanjani indoda uyindoda nawe kwenziwa yini lokho ngiyalazi khona nemisa inkinga ngathi angeke understand masomtshela ukuthi like you can come open a shop this side like we feel for you we feel you it's hard man this guy is going through a lot and then le bench ngathi yamudla la emqolo amethyst Yebona amethyst. Hey khona la ungekho khona amethyst bangenzani? Hey. Uyazela lo. Yini uphetho akaphethwa ngabuthongo Nkosi yami. Uyagowa strong. And uyabona naye ukuthi ngiyamshaya and uacceptile. Azi ngiyamzwela Nkosi yami. No man, akeze. Azovula ishop lo siyavuma guys nanoma ngana amaphepha akeze azovula ishop inkinga manje mangizomtshela khona elila ngilaziyo angeze azovula ishop la buya ngaye sibonga iRose ayisamcindezela yazi nango uMuhammad lana awushen akazeli lo muntu is going through a lot uphethe nebomb hayi uright akahamba uyexa ku live yakhe le thina I don't participate in bullshit mangazongitshela ibhiki angitshela noma ngaba mkhulu kanjani la kimi mangabe uzongizela ngitayela zokufa khwe hlala kanjani langa lonke anginalo I'm going forward awushem nayo ke lenqindi selifika nangi lo gwam sekafika awushem ba lala into ekhona manje uzolalela into ekhona manje wena uzolalela into ekhona yo pu clock it unase clock it hayi namhlanje size ngenye into hayi umtholaphi manje lo my friend lo my friend ngimthola la nami and uyagoba is going through a lot kuthiwa ngathi unabantwana abayi10 and manje ulapha kamama akhe emuva kwendlu uzama imali yokondla abantwana
Razi, don't you know? Don't hear me. Baby, you're good. Lahore, keep it stars out. Lahore.
Ke lapha kuseNigeria laphayana kuseNigeria lapha la msafundako nawu umuntu waseNigeria lo welele vele angisekho sure mhlambe yami network or akahambe angimboni musimi bani ukiftile thank you Tshepo Hope Tsepapa Nanda athi ngithi sikanokuthola ngiyistile isikhathi kube ngiyabhukuza manje thank you Nanda the twin kube ngiyabhukuza manje ngiyabhukuza ngicabanga ukufaka isibhacu
नाला पता ठोकने नु काला काका पेंशन से या काटे में करी ना तू टेस्ट पूरी चले सीने
guys mina sengicabangile amakulu akumelanga abe namafoni thank you Nanda akumelanga abe namafoni amakulu the official akumelanga abe thank you Sedi labantu akumelanga ba unamafoni because into abazenzayo la azikho sharp usohlangana nabo la
Yey,
yeah
hamba kanjani?
kuyaphileka nsizwa
Nayo 100 good.
singabhukuzana nje kumesh fast
Ya, awuzama inhlanhla.
kuzame mina inhlanhla
Awuzama inhlanhla. Awuzama awu. Thank you for that meal.
guys ningamthathi kancane ningalahli side
Afela semuthumela uphuthu lo mfana before aqabanga nje bathi uthola uphuthu.
hey
Madoda semuthumela uphuthu.
yes Nanda
Uphuthu wanoyi, uphuthu wanoyi. VIP.
Nanda Nanda
Ubize ngomngu.
ngayenza nje yebo ngiyabonga Amethyst ngoba like animnyatsanga ningamnyatsi tu ningalinge
Asambeni kanza wethu football. Hayi madoda andriche
thank you Tepo singalahli iside clock it singakajabuli ningalinge nijabule ningalinge nirelaxe lingalahlwa iside njengoba bekusasho iside lingalahlwa uready lo muntu unaso nesitulo saku live sokujinka uready dala silindile thank you Nanda and Sedi cindezela uhash
wendoda angisadlali noZundu dakuna smoke lamalanga uzumele ngithothi mangine smoke hawu hey
hayi sengishilo ukuthi bangalahli thank you Sedi and Nanda no amelanga balahli side kuwena cebisa ngeke sabonile hayi angeke
afutha asifake namarose abamathathu ke
yebo
no nje uzuyinja nje football onakhe nerose lodwa
unaso nesitulo uready ithi kunacindezelana uhash
okay guys let's push namarose hayi let's push namarose rose nazo ke
thank you Sedi yeah
Senkosi sambe
asimshanje ngale ngoma kaShaka mbom
Tembi drop a glove we play donuts on the glove
nombuzo thank you cindezela uhash
drop a glove Tembi
singalahli side guys kusesekhona lento abayibiza sniper uyayibona kusesekhona lento abayibiza sniper singalahli side nalibona usungimisela amanqindi ngale khona isibhakele esilowdayo khona esinye isibhakele esilowdayo ngale
Sambeni
inde mina sesiwineka i3 singazidlisi manje basicindeze abantu bacindezela uhash kamampela guys mangithi cindezelana uhash ngisho ukuthi asipress double tap lapho sitap skifte uhash lo not uhash literally nani nifaka bo hash kamampela lava njani base ngicabangile siyawina lana on lahli side nini
akusithuma football bana manje akusithumile
lahli side ngise kungalahlwa iside
yazi noma lo kumele simbuyele lo
ngifuna njengoba sithunya uphuthu ngifuna sibuye sisaphila ke thina nalo phuthu sifike nalo silethe lo phuthu straight yebo Amethyst and Sedi sihloko sincenga kancane nje asilwe asinadlame sihloko siza kancane nje kancane
uqedile ngayo lo asajabulile ngale uqale phansi from scratch
Ed Pivo is calling you akusile uphuthu ipapa leli hayi guys sina uthi uphuthu njengoba basithuma sobuya nalo iphuthu thina sobuya nalo lephuthu lesithunywe lona kuyomangala ukuthi ayibo benithunya uphuthu nina nabuya siza nalo lophuthu guys ngibona inqindi loader lapha ngazi kwenzakaleli liphelele but ingathi khona inqindi elingimele
ayiyaphetha kabi yami namhlanje
Hayi namhlanje hayi ngizobonga ukuthi yebo Thebo. Phew. Celebrate mina. Thank you Thebo. Sesiyala celebrate ngapha yabona sebaphonsa lezi zinto zama party manje. Sesiyabhiyoza. Hey nami ngalungisa isibhakela sami.
Hayi mfowethu amadoda ayipheli sohlangana.
Ya sohlangana. Ngifuna ukuthi and ngiyakufollow.
Ngiyazi yakhona izohlangana.
Eh.
Yabona into mfowethu lona mesibuke lento.
Kuzolunga.
Hayi liyobonana.
Unesmoke lo yamuntu lo yanginitsheleni. Hey unesmoke lo yamuntu. That's why ngithi singalahle side because shuthi simthole kahle. Simthole kahle uzosihlonipha next time so masingena abaleke. Ngifuna ukuthi masingena athi ayiyacolisa ngiaccepte ngemistake. Hayi.
Hawu ndoda wena futhi. Ufuna ukuthuma futhi ngeke awu.
Hey, bengithi ngimfaka iphuthu futhi. Le phuthu sithume yena. Hey saze sayingozi.
Usifuna amakhathinyana wamasimba doti lawo. Wena ingathi usizi kanje. Since iphethe nalo cherinyana wayo lo yenza week la. Yebo bangithi
Mojo.
Yangizuthi ngithini?
Excess.
Sabu kanjani?
Relax apha. Kwenzakalani kanti lapha ya? Kwenzakaleni lapha yana kanti? Kwenzakalani nde? Kumnyama nangapha ukuthi yisikiliti sisa.
Salute someone. Guys.
Mulweni Bethuna.
Guys there. Guys. Aja badweni. Laba fana laba. Asenza amachamara lapha. Khothana namalips. Angengikhona kanti why manje kuvela ithombe nalesa sithombe why kanti manje sticks nami bangakibalikisele hey abantu laba manje khambani mawukuphi Saturday because bekumele siye emabaso zange ungithinte Tumi uyabona ke kuba ngathi manje yini zange ungithinte wayengathi abantu babaleka isibhaco nje what are they doing
I don't know why.
Match.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm also good. Can we play a match?
Sure, if you want gifts, go ahead. I don't mind.
Whoa. Do you trust yourself? I don't want to take advantage, because I got smoke.
No, you can get gifts. I don't care. Like, I honestly don't care. I don't need gifts.
We have people who... Yeah?
I don't need gifts, and my chat doesn't need to give gifts.
Usisi laphaya angazi wenzani but lento ayenzayo uphusha charming angazi mhlawumbe uyabona uzama ukubamba but then angeke sikwazi ukuthi manje I don't care. You want to get gift? I don't care. Mina ngifuna ukudlala nabo. Michelle. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm cool. Can we play a match?
Huh?
Can we play a match?
You can try.
Do we have people there?
He's gonna beat you. He's famous. He's already famous.
No, guys. Creepy naye. Creepy naye. Naye creepy. No, guys, we are not here to play. Ukuthi manje You don't need passport, serious. You don't need passport. You come here, make it passport here.
Green card, no.
ID card. You don't need that. You'll
No.
make it here. Fake one. Here. We have everything.
No problem.
Open shop, big shop. You have money here. You send home. Money.
Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
No,
Thank
don't
you,
worry,
brother.
my brother. This match is it's as good as over now.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Guys, double tap.
Thank you,
brother.
Tsepo.
Thank you.
Okay, bese simniki khona guys, bese simniki khona sisimenze ubulungiswa.
Thank you.
Sithi simenzele ubulungiswa.
Guys, double tap. Thank you so much.
Why unobu ANC ufuna bonke beze la?
Live show, double tap, guys, double tap.
Nisho
Brother,
ukuthi
double tap.
ayazi mesh. Akayazi mesh Nkosi yami.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh shame. Angisho ngitshelile ngathi phucani labantu amafoni. Lo muntu udom serious. Serious ngiyamplaga lo muntu akekho slam ngiyamplaga.
Thank you so much.
Bekithi ngizomnika nama shortcuts ukuze South Africa.
Thank you so much.
Manje lokuthi thank you akanginaki. Ngiyamtshela ngene econtaineni. Unonsakani obvious. Sakani ngiyakena lapha.
Thank you.
No ngoba sesicedile. Hayi, no ngoba sesicedile. Hey, Mubin.
Yes.
You must get in a container and come over here. We're waiting for you.
Me?
Yeah. How much is to get in a container in your country and come here?
Country. Snipe, guys, snipe. Country. Snipe.
Snipe me. You thinking lale manyaweni wena, hey?
Yes.
Hlala lapha angasizi la. Habibi, ngizi come to South Africa. Uyazichumisa. Uyazi ukuthi abobhuti bakhe baphila kamnandi kanjani la? Badla kunye ukudla kumnandi kabi.
Morning, Mayosa. Please stay. You too, my brother. What's up, brother?
Yes, my friend. Yes,
hello,
brother.
my friend. You want to battle?
Yes, my friend. I want to play a match.
Pardon?
Match.
You want to... Okay.
Yes. Where are you from, brother?
From New Zealand. Where are you from?
New Zealand.
Yeah, you from Jamaica. Oh, no, you're from Kenya.
South Africa. Close.
Oh, nice. That's a long finger.
Nice tattoos, brother. Nice tattoos. Love them.
Thank you.
Manje, if I
Bro's got some smoke. Oh, he's on a 7. I'm on an 8. Oh, I didn't take it. Babe. Black power
No,
tapped in.
now, listen. Okay, guys.
Nice.
Listen, now it will be your loss now. You've been winning. Guys, asenzen kanjani. Chop rice. Dala winner lo muntu. Chop rice. Chop rice. Akafuni ukungilalela. Usibhala ubusa ngisho. Wenza into zobudimoni. Chop rice. Amethyst unamadimoni ufuna simthandazele. Ufuna simbekele izandla. Chop rice. Dala winner. Hayi lana. Sikade umzila la. Hayi la, not here. Thank you, Tsepo. Mtsepa. Sikade umzila la. Hayi la. dala wina nambona una 8 ngina 7 ngiyothatha le 8 yakhe. Ningamnyathi guys, shuthi lo unokusniper, that's why I win. Bayazi into abayenza. Amethyst, thank you. Yebo. Tap up. He has 8 viewers. Lama 8 viewers are effective blind. Njengoba ningawanyatha nina. Ngangashawa umuntu ona 2 views. Yadlala nini? Hey. Ningawanyatha ababhizi labantu basebenza lapha. 3 times gifting points starting soon. Nayizwa leyo nto. Bathi izoqala lento le nayo iyophonsa lapho njengoba ngimbona. Ngibhekile. Ngifuna asuse lento ayibhala ebusweni, asiyithandi. Chop rice. Yabo chop rice noluthando. Not chop rice. Mthabi Mbongi Rosa. Simfithizini guys. Nayi guys. Hey nangu ngintshela njengoba ngintshela uqeda ukuthola imanigani. 3 times nayi guys, 3 times guys, angawini lo muntu udala winde. Yebo. Mthepa. Yebo Mthabi. Usazoyiphinda le itayela zakhe. Thank you Mthabi. Usazoziphinda le itayela zakhe. Yo. Angazi kwenzakaleni lapha. Yo, Amethyst, thank you Mthabi and Nanda. Ningibonile bengiphuzana. Bengithatha amandla. So msha Amethyst lo thing ukuthi simthandazele. Thank you Nanda. Mthe papa. Nanda clock it. Yo. Emnandi lento bengiyiphuza. Serious nibona nalapha phezulu ukuthi hayi ijuice. Ningibonile? Ngithi ningibonanga ngithi ngizibona ngiyi1 la ngiyibamba ngithi kumanqa. Ya. Ngiyakabambe. Ona ngathola amagalaxy. Sekaba guys. Uthola igalaxy lo muntu uyalwa lo. No guys angashayi lo. Lo Nix ujwayele. Guys naku sikasele kancane ukuthi catch up. Ujwayele and unamadimoni. Ufaka into zamadimoni ebusweni. Yo. Guys. Shine lo muntu. Ngifuna suse zonke lento azibhala ebusweni. Angizithandi nje inhlobo. Beza ngobuclever manje. Ngiyababona njengoba bacabanga. Beza ngobuclever. Guys, unesatanism. Uyambona nomuso. Yes. Wenza ubusathani lo. Niyambona? Asikwazi kumdedela lo muntu lo. Asikwazi kumdedela azenzele la. Abuse. Sendaweni errong kakhulu. Guys nathi singaphela umoya, uzosniper lo. Uzosniper angasnipe. Yo nanga ngasniper. Nami ngasniper. Ngenzani? Ngigqoke crown. Asenzeni guys? Anyara crown. Yo you lose. Yo mara Amethyst sebenzile lapha yana. Yo Amethyst and papa. Yo Amethyst nimbonile ngigqoke crown. I was the princess. I felt like Cinderella. Yo. Was the crystal dreams. Awusindile. Mina sengikhathele ukupretenda kanti sidlala njani. Hayi lapha hayi asimiyeke. Simiyekeni kancane uphunyukile. Ngibabonile ngalento bebaza ngayo. Ngiyababona bayaplota bayacabanga. Ngiyababona labantu abahleli kulesa sihlalo. Akahambe vele.
Hey, what? Huh?
Oh.
Pack it like a camera pack, man.
The match, my guy, match.
It's me, Tiger.
Match.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
You Tiger that raps.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah, but it's me, but.
Yeah, where you from, Tiger? America.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
Yeah, boy. I see your grills there shining brighter than your future.
The what? Brighter
I
than
see your grills
Yeah,
there
man.
shining brighter than your future.
They're your future, bro. You know what I'm saying? They're your future.
Your future.
They're yours.
Tiger. You have Tiger in the building. Screw it. Yeah.
Thanksgiving, don't thank me.
Ah, Tiger. Where are the people on your side? Thank you, Tepo and Mtabi.
Janet Honey Cookies.
Shout out. Shout out to Tiger there.
I say, bitch.
Oh, you love Tiger?
That's a G shit. It's me, bro. It's me, Tiger. You don't hear me? Bitch. It's me, man. You know what I'm saying? What I am? What's I am?
No, my brother. I know Tiger. I'm not from. I know Tiger. Tiger. I know the real Tiger.
Original?
Yeah, I know the original.
Hey,
You
you
2.0. You times 2. You 2.0.
Yeah, exactly. It's the real.
Oh, you can rap. You can rap, brother.
Anything, man. You know what I'm saying? Rapping is shit to me. You feel me?
Can you give me a young freestyle there?
I'm a genius.
Yeah.
That's what it is, homie.
Can I get a freestyle, my guy? Freestyle. Young one.
I don't do no freestyling for free in this bitch, man. You got to book me, you know what I'm saying? I'm a real genius. I'm the best rapper in this bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm the best
Hansen.
anything, man.
I like it when you say Hansen. Yan Hansen. You must teach me how do you say it. Hansen.
You want to learn from the big dog?
I want to learn from the big dog.
Let me see, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to book something.
I gotta book you, man.
You feel me? Straight
I
up.
feel you.
Yeah. Everybody tap on screen check.
It's the big dog. I have the big dog.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Do that thing of yours.
Yeah. Exactly.
Thank you, Rosa.
Real
The
talk.
grill is shining brighter than your future, man.
Your future. That your future.
Than your future.
Where you at, man?
I'm right here, man.
Your future.
South Africa, man. We out here in South Africa chilling, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
We gonna whoop your ass, man. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, man. We the best.
You know what I'm saying? I'm here now to whoop your ass, man.
Now
You
we
know,
the
nigga.
champion. I'm the real champion.
I got the little tiger. No, they are saying we are not a tiger, we are a cat.
Bro, Tiger, I'm the real Tiger. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. I've been doing this shit.
You've been doing this shit. How?
He learned from me, man. You know what I'm saying? He learned from me.
I know you're saying.
Yeah.
I know you're saying. How?
But he fake though. He's the fake one. I'm the real one. You know what I'm saying?
It's real. Your teeth. Your grills there.
Yeah, man. Everything real in this bitch, man.
How?
Yeah.
I see. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You see, I'm whooping your ass. Whip.
You good, man? You only have
I'm
100
good, mad. I'm good, mad.
Only 100 is nothing, man. We finna get it poppin', man. You see?
You finna get it popping.
We finna get it poppin', man.
Thank you, Amethyst. I'm finna whoop your ass.
Shit,
you know what I'm saying?
Everything.
You know what I'm saying?
What they doing,
Yeah.
man? You got to learn how to do this shit like a real dude, you know what I'm saying? Yo, but
Get out right here. Get out right here. Get out right here. Thank you, Amethyst. Mshange get out right here. Kanti yini inkinga leyo muntu amdala kangaka mara yini? Yini inkinga leyo abhuti? Serious yini uphazamisekile kahle? Ulapha ku blue. Ha, I'm Tiger. Siyamazi uTiger. No, mina ngiyamazi uTiger. La guy lo yakusu Tiger lo. Ama grills ashayina ukudlula ifuture yakhe. Shining brighter. Unenkinga enkulu kakhulu.
Hayi bo.
Lo yifuna bocheri lo ya uzenza ichama lapha. Hayi.
Kanti asamboni ngalo lo mjini. Sengicabangile.
Oh yeah. Nama ngikubona yazi njengoba uthi inetwork yami yateka la ishaya iteka famba.
Ngiyayibona. Yabo ufuna ukungibona elengivuke la ngiseta.
Ungavuki njalo. Anza nini? Ungavuki player, ungavuki. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. You're already sleeping. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anza nini? Challenge inkinga mina ngithanda ukuthi ngidlale nabantu base South Africa. Ngifuna ukudlala lapha.
Hello. Kima.
Where's yourself? Where's yourself? Still K.
Man, what are you?
Ay, Osiam.
Man.
Hello. Whose father is this? Hello, Scarface. Whose father is this? Hello, alright. Hey, Osiam. Azisife. Ngiyambuza ukuthi ukiphi. Akaveli lapha kuvela ithombe. Mina ngidlala nezithombe. Ufuna ukubona. I don't know what I'm saying, bengibabona. Mina ngayi America.
Hello. Hi. Except it. Except. What a fit.
Hey, Naftali.
Hola. Except fit.
Fine. Nifake nama lipstick. These guys. Ebusuku songa abo 12 indeni bahleli babambene. Ngeke bafake nama lipstick lapha kuma filter wabo. Yo.
Like those papa o kawayo. Special. Small default. Yes, brother. Avoid him. What's the man?
A match. Friendly match.
Right. Wat de fuck met mijn icon gebeuren? How is it, brother?
I'm good. Angeke sikwazi ukukhuluma manje i-national anthem asingeke sikwazi kusama. Nangu uhamba neskeleton ngapha ebusuku lokhu sithi siyavela. Hayibo. Uzufuna ukusenzani? Ubuloyi ke lophi naku ubuloyi ulobya. Lobya ngeke phela sobukela isithombe zezinqa. Sihlala imesh sibukela isithombe zezinqa. Kanti kwenzakalani la ngaphandle? Baze bayasihleka ngale kuleya live basivezela izinqa babona ukuthi asizithandi bayasihleka ukuthi bathi thina sidoma. Hayi no guys sizoyilungisa. Okay. Can we play a match?
Yeah. Sure it.
Guys, sovulela icala la. Awungi-acceptile mos. Anenzeni imesh phela. King.
Lo muntu uyadecline uthi ufuna abantu abayi-4.
Bayo sobathatha apha abantu abayi-4 si 3 of us here now want to play and go. Guys, kubi because sizovuthuza umuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma la ngaphezulu. Sizokuvuthuza naye lona osibonisa iskip sakhe esi-red lapha yana nalapha kulela brook lakhe. Into esizoyenza la ibhlungu and angiyithandi mara sizoyenza. Shem. Yazi baze bazithela. Baze bazithela. Thank you Amethyst. Yazi baze bazithela. Yazi baze bazithela. Asifaka kimi. Balahlwe isipoko ke laba boyi2 kanje. Awukwazi ukukhuluma kaMareg. Awushem. Hayi ingathi uyakhuluma lo. Usakakhona ukukhuluma ingathi uyakhuluma. Yini manje la ibeke empumuleni? Yabo uyaslow yini le ayibeke? Uyaslow. Hey. Thank you Asemahle. Uyaslow yake lona. Balekile. Sesosala nalo baba manje. Mina ngihambi la. Mina ngihambi la. So I win. Sekashayiwe kanjalo. Ubuya sekashayiwe lwe. Guys, so thanda ukuthi because we don't explore the night silale in the ebusuku. Silale Nkosi yami because ngiyabona with normal